One day, a young man came to see this wise old man. "Oh, wise father," said the young man, "I want to be useful to people. I want to serve them all my life. How can I do this?" "That's very good," said the old man. "Here is a magic box. Do not open it until you reach home. If you open it now, something will happen to you." "Thank you, wise father," said the young man. He took the box and left. When he's out of the cave, he stopped. "I wonder what is in the box," he said to himself. "I'm going to look." He opened the box. At once it turned into a tall tree, a coconut tree. That was his punishment for disobeying the old man. But he still had his faith, because the coconut tree is very useful to people. Thank you.
Okay.